Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we're checking out this Glock 18. No, it's not real. This is a blaster handgun. So basically, if you are not familiar with blaster guns, you have these really micro small BBs. They're plastic, and you put them in water, and they swell up to, pretty similar to the size of a BB, maybe, a real BB, maybe a little bigger. And they're full of water, and then when you shoot them, they splat when they hit their target. And these are a lot of fun. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see if it fires. Not every blaster gun that I've reviewed has performed the way it should. So we're gonna see what this one is. It says for 12 and over. All right, so first off, they give a manual. Second off, we got one full bag of ammunition. We have a second full bag of ammunition. Safety glasses. Safety glasses is normally standard in these kits. You have the reservoir tank for the ammunition. You have the hopper or the feeding bracket for the BBs. Oh, that's actually pretty nice looking. That's a nice looking gel blaster. Yeah, that's really nice looking. You have, which they call this the silencer. You place it on the end here. Oh, that is awesome. That is cool. That's awesome. Okay, anyway, sorry guys. Yeah, so you use this and you put it at the end. You just twist and turn it on. Now, they call that the silencer. They put this here because I believe by law, you have to, on any fake guns, any fake guns, I believe, you have to have an orange piece at the end or something like that. So they include that. Doesn't mean you have to have that to shoot, but they put it on the end, and they do claim that it helps it. You got a laser scope, or I should say laser sight. So you just pull out the protective. Oh wow, that's, as you guys can see here, that's actually super bright. I mean, that is really bright. If you guys could see here on me. So that mounts on the gun. Wow, I am impressed. I mean, that's really bright, and we're in the daytime, so we got lights all around us. On off switch on that. So it looks like it is USB charged, and this is the power supply. So what's cool about this one is this is the power supply. So you would charge it by plugging this in here like this, and then plug this into a USB outlet. And then for using it, you just simply open this up, pop it in place, and now the clip, which is the battery, is in. There's no point in taking it off. Now we can go ahead and slide this back in. Power it on, we're good to go. Freeze! I guess I shouldn't say freeze and then open fire. Alright guys, so now check out your instruction manuals for how much water you need and all that fun stuff. You fill this up with your basically BBs after it's already filled up. Alright guys, this is what the BBs look like once you put them in. We had some orange ones, so we mixed them with the blue ones. Now we're ready to go. Oh wow, this actually shoots really far. So you see that garage way out there? We can hit that garage, which is our garage, by the way. If it jams up, you just shake your gun up a little bit. summary, guys, I think it's safe to say the Glock 18 works good. Again, if it jams up, you just shake the gun up and you're ready to keep going. It's that simple, my friends.